class 11th, and in class 11th we were in lesson number 10. Lesson number 10 is planning and economic development. So from this chapter, as I told you earlier also, a big portion has been decreased. So if you just open your books, there will be certain points which has been decreased, which I'll let you know in the WhatsApp group as well. So we were doing planning, and I told you what economic planning is all about. I told you that economic planning, what does it mean? Do you remember what does it mean? I told you that economic planning is the way the central authority plans for the economic development and economic growth of the nation. It tells economic planning is basically done to understand that how to use the resources in the best possible manner so that the overall development can be done, right? So we did with this, or we already did this, and we read about the objectives of planning also, and then we started with Niti Aayog. Okay, so I told you that what is Niti Aayog. Still, we'll again start what is Niti Aayog and what exactly it is. See, earlier the planning was done by Planning Commission in India. It started in 1950, right? Earlier, the central planning. See, every nation needs planning. Without planning, we cannot move forward, or we cannot do our things properly in a proper manner. So planning is required. So same way, nation also requires planning. And after independence, we were in such a bad condition that without planning, we could not have achieved what we wanted to, because we were in very bad condition. So basically, a planning commission was formed, and the head of the planning commission used to be Prime Minister. Now, after 65 years, because in 2000, in 1950, Planning Commission was established, and after 65 years, that in 2015, Planning Commission was replaced by Niti Aayog, right? So I'll let you know. I told you certain things also, so we'll just repeat these things. So Niti Aayog, we're going to start with. This is very important, and this year definitely you're going to get question from Niti Aayog. So certain important things about Niti Aayog, right? So the first important thing is it was established on January 1st, 2015, right? It was established on January 1st, 2015. This is what the establishment of what Niti Aayog, right? Headquarters is in Delhi. Here the head office is basically is in Delhi. Is in Delhi. The headquarters, that is the main office, is in Delhi. Okay. What does it say? It says no 5-year plans, no allocation of funds to states and ministers. What does it say? Basically, is no 5-year plans. As I told you earlier also, that earlier we used to have 5-year plans, because the time period was 5 year, and the plans were done for 5 years, and in the stipulated time the given objectives and the task were supposed to be completed. But now the Niti Aayog says that there will be no 5-year plans. We are not going to have any 5-year plans, and there is going to be no allocation of funds to state and ministries, and no allocation of funds to state and ministries. Earlier, what used to happen was this: the funds were being given to the state. पैसा दिया जाता था स्टेट को, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट स्टेट को पैसा देती थी, और स्टेट अपने स्टेट में वो पैसे लगाती थी. प्लानिंग के हिसाब से वो पैसे लगाया जाता था अलग अलग चीज़ों के अंदर, और मिनिस्ट्रीज को भी पैसा दिया जाता था. लेकिन राइट नाउ प्लानिंग कमीशन सेज दैट no 5-year plans, we are not going to have any 5-year plans, and the money will be not given to state and to ministries. Okay. Next is Niti Aayog. Meaning full form, it has a full form. Niti Aayog is National Institute for Transforming India, right? So this is what the full form of Niti Aayog. That is National Institute. So Niti Aayog is basically National Institute. It's a Rashtra organization for transforming India. Transforming is to bring change. right? So big changes will be brought through different planning, through different things, right? Through different objectives, through different steps, different the changes will be brought to transform India. Transforming means to change the altogether the structure of anything. Okay, so here we are talking about the change in structure of Indian economy to change the whole current scenario and to get it just developed, right? So this is your second thing. Next is think tank. Give advices to government on different issues. Now I told you earlier also, uh, this Niti Aayog is also known as think tank. जो think tank है, this gives advice to government on different issues. Now, what is think tank? We are saying think tank. So think tanks means it's the group of people, the people who are very, they are expert in their field. They're expert in the field of economy and development and the planning. They know all. They know the problems, the main problems. They are the researchers. They know the main problems of the Indian economy, and they also know that how these problems can be sorted out. How this problem can be solved out. Basically, think tank is a group of people, those who have expertise, and they study the problems of Indian economy on both social as well as economic level, and they give advice to the government on these issues. Correct? So next is your, these are few things which you must know about Niti Aayog, though we have just discussed about Niti Aayog in the previous class also. So this is also, these are also some of the very important point and very short points about the Niti Aayog. So one must know these points, right? Now what we can say further is further about Niti Aayog. So Niti Aayog thing is not given in a book, but you can just have a look and understand this. Another sixth thing is a group. Basically, it is a commission to help government in social and economic issue, right? So Niti Aayog is what? It is a commission to help government on different issues. So what basically Niti Aayog is? So altogether when we understand this, we understand that Niti Aayog is a commission which helps the government on different issues. So see, there are so many issues with any economy, not only India, with any economy. The issues are so many, like the issue of unemployment, the issue of poverty, it could be the issue of national security, national defense, it could be the issues of environmental issues could be there. So on all those issues, the think tank, that is the expert people, they keep on studying and they keep on doing research, and this commission helps the government on different issues. Okay? So these are few things which you should know, and now we could just start with role. Now we can start with what? Role, functions and role of this, functions and role of. I hope this point is clear to you. So very important, functions and role. So we are doing this functions and role. Functions and role of what? Niti Aayog. What is Niti Aayog? What is the full form of Niti Aayog? Niti Aayog is National Institute for Transforming India. Now we are going to read about what? We are going to read about the functions and role of Niti Aayog. Right? The first function is to evolve a shared vision of national development. To evolve a shared vision of, to share what? To evolve a shared vision of national development. National development. Now we are sharing with whom? With state. Right? So basically Niti Aayog, the role and function says that it is going to be a national vision. It is going to be a vision. Now what vision? Shared vision. Okay, the center is working with state together. State and center are working together for what? For national development. So national development is very very important, and we are sharing it. We are sharing it with whom? State and the government, central government. So basically, the first thing is this, that it is a evolved vision. It is a to evolve a shared vision with national development with the national development with state, right? So we are working together. It's not like this that the government is working alone on this all issues, or the central government is working alone with all the issues. No, it need to be India is such a big country. You cannot work without involving other people. So it becomes very very important to share the vision, to work together with whom? State. Next is to develop credible plans at the village level, to develop credible plans at the right. So to develop what? Credible plans at the village level and aggregate these at higher levels of government. These at higher level of government. Next plan is this, the next point is this, or the next functional role is this, that very good plans, very credible plans are need to be made at village level. You are going to make, we cannot ignore the villages, because Gandhiji said that the main India, the real India is, you can see the real India in villages only. So we cannot always think about the cities or towns. We need to think about these areas also, because once the village is developed, the whole India is developed. So we need to develop the Niti Aayog says that you need to develop good plans for village and aggregate these at higher level of the government, right? And gradually from village you move to the higher levels. Next, to foster cooperative leader federalism with state. Third, to foster cooperative federalism with the state on a continuous basis. Continuous basis, recognizing that strong states make a strong nation. Right? So this is the last rule. What does it says? It says that to foster cooperative federalism. So there is going to be a federalism. Now what we say, what is federalism? So federalism basically means you work together from center to state, from state to the village level. So this is federalism. So fostering cooperative federalism, okay, because as I told you earlier also, without cooperation or without the help of the states or without the help of the local government, you cannot think of planning or development of India. So we need to foster, the Niti Aayog says that you need to foster, you need to create a cooperative federalism with state on continuous basis. This process is going to be continuous, recognizing the strong states make strong nation. So once all the states are developed, definitely once all the states are developed, or this means that the whole nation is what? The whole nation is developed, right? So it's very very important that we work on a cooperative federalism basis. We work on a cooperative federalism basis. Got it? So next is to make assessment of now. Niti Aayog also says that we need to keep an eye. Assessment is basically testing or eye. We need to keep an eye on what? Material, capital and human resource. On material, capital and human resource. So they also say, Niti Aayog also say that without we cannot think of the development without economic activities. And how economic activities are done? Economic activities are done with the help of material capital and human resources. So because these things helps you in production. So these things, the assessment of these things is also very, very important. This is also one of the very, very important functions of Niti Aayog, right? Very, very important functions of Niti Aayog. Okay? The Niti Aayog has to see that are we sufficient with the capital part? Is our human resource skilled and developed, so that trained, so that they can form a good capital stock and human capital, right? Same way we need to see the material part also. Are we scarce of the material part? Do we need some more material for the production? Now, what these things make us? These things makes us self-reliant. Self-reliant means self-dependent. Once we are self-reliant, we need not to depend on other countries for import and other stuff. So self-reliance has been the very, very important uh, objective of Modi government, because Modi government started with Niti Aayog. Self-reliance is one of the major objectives. Self-reliance. What does self-reliance says? More of export, and less imports. We need to learn about more exports. We need to do more exports. हमको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा एक्सपोर्ट करना है और कम से कम क्या करना है, इम्पोर्ट करना है. तो these are some of the basic functions and roles of Niti Aayog, right? So Niti Aayog is this year in your syllabus, and lot of points has been, lot of syllabus has been, or you can say topic has been deleted from lesson number 10, that is planning and economic development. There is a topic, if you see in your book, major thrust of the 5-year plans in India. Major thrust of 5-year plans in India. This is what we are not going to read. So in place of this Niti Aayog we are going to read. You're going to read that what Niti Aayog is, how it was established, when it was established, and what are the roles and functions of Niti Aayog, which I have already discussed with you in the previous video and today's video. I believe that Niti Aayog part is clear to you. You can also read about it in internet also, because it is not given in your book. So you just read about it in the internet and learn about it. Alright, so I'll be seeing you soon in the next video. I believe that this is enough for you today. Then take care of yourself, stay at home, stay healthy.